Hi everyone, quick money saving 3D print this week. So what we've got here is what's left of an Extractor fan external flue cover, and normally there would be a top on this and it would mount into these three lug holes here, and that's completely shattered actually. In fact, this has got quite brittle over the years in the sun, and I think we can do a replacement. So let's step over to Fusion 360 and get this one underway. Right, those printed out, got our fly guard. It's made of PLA, that's fine. Should stop the larger insects from getting into the flue and making a nest. Fits in there. We'll use good old epoxy resin to glue that in, and then same with the cap on the top, which we can fit into the three lugs, and we'll just put some epoxy on that as well to secure it in place. Okay, let's get on.